DJ Tira Biography, age, wife, sons, wedding, net worth, songs, and contact details. DJ Tira Biography. DJ Tira, whose real name is Mthokozi Khathi, was born on August 24, 1976 in KwaHlabisa, a village in the northern parts of KwaZulu Natal. He is a South African DJ, producer, and entrepreneur. DJ Tira music career. In 1995 he relocated to Durban from KwaHlabisa to study human resources at the University of Natal. While studying he developed an interest in DJing and bought his first vinyl in 1996 and learned how to DJ using vinyls. His passion for DJing grew and he started playing at varsity parties, weddings, private parties, and popular nightclubs. He was part of the team that formed M1 Entertainment. In 2000 and 2001 he won the Smirnoff SA DJ Knockout competition. In 2001 he released the Real Makoya compilation with the late DJ Kabzala. In 2005 he formed the group Xzo and Professor together with Kalawa Jasmine. Together they released 3 compilations. VOL1 and VOL2 of Durban's Finest won 2004 and 2005 Metro FM Best Compilation Awards respectively. In 2007 he opened Afrotainment Studios and produced his first artist DJ Ndo. In 2007 he signed Equato group Big Nuz, and 2008 they released an album Second Round Knockout with a #1 hit Ebola. Awards. 2010, South African Music Awards Song of the Year, Umlalo Big Nuz feat DJ Tira. 2010, Channel O Video of the Year Award, Party 101 Tear Gas feat DJ Tira. 2010, South African Music Awards Song of the Year, Umlalo Big Nuz feat DJ Tira. 2008, Mzansi Star Best Club DJ Award. 2005, Metro FM Best Compilation, Durban's Finest. 2004, Metro FM Best Compilation, Durban's Finest. DJ Tira age. He was born on August 24, 1976. DJ Tira wife, DJ Tira wedding. He is married to Gugu Khathi. On October 2016 DJ Tira and his wife Gugu Khathi hosted a Umabo ceremony at his home in KwaHlabisa, in KZN. Umabo is a traditional Zulu ceremony where a bride gets introduced to her husband's ancestors in a cow slaughtering ritual and celebration. It normally takes place after the white wedding, and it is believed that one is not fully married until after the Umabo ceremony in Zulu culture. DJ Tira's son. His 2 sons are Junior and Chase Khathi. Both have followed in their father's musical footsteps. Junior is dropping a hip-hop single soon and Chase loves spinning the decks. But DJ Tira said his son's love for music scares him. I can't stop them from doing what they love and I know I have to support them, but their passion scares me. I'm scared because I'm not certain whether they'll be able to crack it in this cruel industry. I'm scared because I don't know if they'll continue loving education, DJ Tira said. DJ Tira net worth. He has an estimated net worth of $550,000. DJ Tira's songs, DJ Tira latest songs. So by Sibanane. Tibi. Malum. Ayapipe. Amadada. Midnight. AMA 100. Bad and Boy. Impimpi. Kuruza. Single Ladies. Thobaka. Mayo. Don't Give Up. Payday. Weekend. DJ Tira contact details. Tira Khathi Director. T. +27 31 309 4643. E. DJ Tira at afrotainment.co.za. W. www.afrotainment.co.za